Welcome. Today we are going to explore the unique features of sliding invisible grilles and how they differ from other types of invisible grilles. Firstly, the main distinction lies in the functionality. A sliding invisible grille can be easily opened and closed, providing both security and convenience. Unlike fixed invisible grilles, which are stationary, the sliding option allows for flexible use of space and easy access to windows for cleaning or maintenance. Additionally, sliding invisible grilles offer a sleek and modern look, enhancing the aesthetics of your space without compromising on safety. Another key difference is the installation process. Sliding grilles are typically installed on tracks, allowing for smooth and seamless operation. Compared to removable grilles, which may require more effort to take down and put back up, sliding grilles offer a hassle-free solution for everyday use. Overall, choosing a sliding invisible grille provides a perfect blend of functionality, style, and ease of use, making it a top choice for modern homes and businesses. We hope this information has been helpful in understanding the unique benefits of sliding invisible grilles.